Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you a very easy, simple pattern for a daisy granny square. And this is a 3-row pattern, looks great from both sides, and I've made a few swatches in different colors so you can see how each looks like. You don't necessarily have to make it in green. I'll be making the green version today. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using Aran yarn in white, yellow and green and a 4.5mm crochet hook. You can use a 5 as well. You will need scissors and a needle to cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Start with a magic ring, and into the magic ring we first going to chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet, and then we will make 11 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3. When you have 12 double crochet in the magic ring, including that chain 3, pull the magic ring tail to close it, and then slip stitch into the 3rd chain of that chain 3 made at the beginning. I'm also gonna crochet over my ends so I don't have to weave them in later. And this is your first round. And now we switch colors to white. Pull it through the loop and then pull the loop shut, close, and we will crochet over these 3 ends. And we start with a chain 4. This counts as a treble, and then into the same stitch where we slip stitch, we're going to make 2 incomplete trebles. So to do that, we yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch where you slip stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're gonna leave this incomplete treble on our hook. Now we make 1 more, yarn over twice into the same stitch, make sure you're crocheting over your ends, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we have 3 incomplete trebles on our hook. We yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and this is the first petal. Now let's continue by chaining 3 and making the next petal, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, make your incomplete treble, and we're gonna make 3 in total. Like so. And then yarn over, pull through all loops, and then chain 3. And this is your repeat section for this round. We make this petal with 3 incomplete trebles and then chain 3. I'll show you one more time your repeat. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do this 2 more times, like so. And once you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4, then chain 3. And we repeat this in every single stitch around. So we will be making 9 more of these petals. I'll speed up the video, but you can slow it down if you need to see how I made my round. So when you have made the last petal and chain 3, to close the round, just slip stitch in the next stitch, and this is your second round. And we will cut the yarn and change colors to green for the last round. Make a slip knot, and then we're gonna attach the green to the flower. Insert your hook into a chain 3, any chain 3, and then pick up the loop and pull it through, and we're gonna start with 4 chains, and this is your first treble. Now into the same chain 3 space, we're gonna make another treble and another treble, and now we have 3 trebles. We're gonna chain 3 and make 3 more trebles into the same chain 3 space. So this is your first one, second one, and we're gonna crochet over our end, and last one, third treble. And this is your corner. Now we're gonna go into the next chain 3 and make 3 double crochet stitches. And these are a little shorter than the trebles, but they will align and make a straight square. Now again, into the next chain 3 space, we're gonna make 3 more double crochet, and with this one we have finished one edge. So this is one edge of the square. Now we're gonna make another corner plus 2 clusters or double crochet and repeat that 3 times in total. So this is your repeat section. Obviously you're not gonna chain 4, but what you're gonna do is 3 trebles, chain 3 trebles into the chain 3 space, followed by 3 double crochet in each of the next 2 spaces. So let me show you one more repeat. So yarn over, and we'll be making 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna chain 3 so we can form the corner, and then into the same space make 3 more trebles. So 1, 2, and 3. And you can see now the corner, and into the next 2 chain 3 spaces we're gonna make 3 double crochet each. So let's make them quickly. So that's second and a third one. That's 1 cluster, and then 3 more double crochet into next. And we have finished our repeat, which is this section. Now I'll be making the next 2 repeats quickly. I'll speed up the video as usual. You can slow it down and watch me make it. So like I said, 3 trebles, chain 3 trebles in the chain 3 space, and then 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet into the following chain 3 spaces. So now I have finished all the repeats and we have reached the beginning of our round. To close the round, make a slip stitch into the fourth chain of that chain 4 you made at the beginning. And this is how it looks like. Cut the yarn and pull through. And this is the only end you're gonna have to deal with. The rest you can just cut. And this is how it looks like. And I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this Daisy Granny Square pattern, put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!